Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you I'm gonna make a video about My Little Pony. So I have 2 ponies, 1 box, but it's a big like that. This one is we call the special. And let's get started to open it. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, I forgot. So, Kiru. Huh? Hi, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to see this Princess Celestia. So let's start it to open it. I'm so nervous right now. It comes with the let's open. Oh, did we forgot something? Oh yeah, the hair. What's that thing? So I'm gonna cut Fluttershy from this is not strong enough. Really not strong enough. Oh, there we go. There we have Fluttershy. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, there we go. Now we have Fluttershy. Let's snatch another pony. Fluttershy's this. Okay, you see him? Hi. Let's open and press Celestia now. He is so big. How about we open this one? Oh, that's okay. We can put it back. Oh, we need to open this or something? I think so. What's so hard to come out? It feels so... Okay, there we go. Oh! So scared. There we go. Now we have Princess Celestia.
What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
This box we don't need to carry. Oh, the one this. Oh, we forgot it, guys. I didn't know there was a bird here, but the bird is so totally hard. I was sweating. Really hard. So this is the parrot.